Good morning, everyone. Okay, been a little while since we had a video. Um, just wanted to thank everybody too. The reaction to my last video that I had about my health issue there was very positive, and many very nice comments. And I just wanted to thank everybody about that. So everything's fine. So we're just going to go on from here, and got lots to talk about today. Well, a couple of things that I've made at the fair, and some knives. So we're coming off of that big limited run there of those long leg field knives. Now, what happened is of course they were all sold out. Added a couple extra ones because there's so many people trying to buy them, and they kept selling out. So that took care of that. I made up a couple extra ones even after that, and those all sold out. And I wound up with one extra. So those actually that one extra is on my site right now. At least it was the last time I looked. I'm not sure. It might have sold by now, but this is it. Just so everybody knows, it's what I did was I made a dangler for the sheath part here. I made another one for a gentleman here. Can't this one's yours here. I'll show you his first. His is in oak, and he wanted it so that he could get in and out of the truck. They have a tendency, sheaths. See that? There's his oak. Kent, that's yours. All right, you'll be getting that. You probably, yes, you did. You already got a notification. Everybody that had one of these on order, if you haven't already, you will be getting the notification that it's shipped, and depending on when this video gets up. So anyway, that one's his. This is the one that's on the site. And again, that dangler is just meant for, you loop it onto your belt. You don't have to take your belt off. You can just kind of sneak it up in there to get it on or off if you want, depending on what you like, so you don't. Okay. That took care of that. Well, I just heard the cha-ching noise, so that one sold. Okay, that one was gone before I even realized. Thank you, whoever bought that one. I appreciate it. Let's see now. What else was I going to talk about? Oh, yeah. I wanted to show the wood on. So I've showed these in the past and on the site there with that reclaimed chestnut, which it's a beautiful one. I don't have much left. I actually sold out of it initially, but I wound up finding a little bit more that I had here from that same table that I made years ago out of it. But anyway, Tiger still is the king there. Everybody wants that, and there it is. That's a nice piece. And these are really nice knives. Not too big, they fit in the hand well, and of course the finger grooves keep it from sliding, and then the jimping on the back. So as of just just that second ago, all of these are gone now and spoken for. Now I do have some plans for a new style here. I showed it a while back. It was a longer blade, 5-inch blade. I have a few of those in the works right now, and those big knives that I've been talking about. I've been working on those. Henry, if you're still watching, that one's still being worked on, so don't worry. And Guy, you're out there too. That one's being worked on. And of course, George, that big one that we've been talking about, that is just about done. So we'll be talking to you here soon. Now, the other things that I wanted to talk about were the things that I made at the fair back in the end of July. And wow, it was hot there. We had a great time, but those first 2 days, my goodness, you definitely know what heat is when you get stuck in a camper that the air conditioner went off. Yes, well, we fixed that, thank God. But there it is, right there. Now, I've been making these little boogers there for I don't know how many years. Roasting forks. Okay, just in the fire. I got. Oh. We cooked baked potatoes. I probably posted a bunch of those. There's some other people who posted videos also of us cooking baked potatoes right on the coal fire. They're right alongside of it, and it turned out great. They so every year now, I bring a couple extra ones just so I don't have to make them. But I make up extra while I'm going there, while I'm there, because they're fun to make and they're kind of interesting. People have no idea what I'm doing, and watching how you split that end and everything. So I've been promising this now for the past 2 years that I'm going to put these up on my site, and I am. So here we go. These are hopefully I didn't get them again. These will be up on my site here hopefully this coming week. Okay, a little bit of a pain to ship those because again, you know, there's you have to have the right container. You know, otherwise the end pops out and stabs somebody. And you know. Anyhow, and let's see, leaves. Everybody likes a leaf. Okay, and I've lost count of how many hundreds of leaves that I've made on hooks and towel bars and all kinds of things back when I was into production blacksmithing, which I'm not anymore, thankfully. Yeah. And almost dropped it in my coffee. God, that would have been a disaster. And by the way, I haven't had anywhere near enough today yet. I was a cranky ass here a little while ago, but I'm getting there. I'm getting there. So just it's not showing at the moment, but I'm getting there. If I had dropped this in my coffee, I would have been. Anyhow, so little key ring on the end. I try not to make these too pointy because if you put them in your pocket, it might it could hurt. So actually, it's probably this one's not too bad. In a purse, a woman's purse, that worked out just fine. But anyway, they're kind of nice, and I'll have these up on the site here too sometime this week. So if you're watching my site there, that should be coming up soon. Okay, not too much more than that. Like I said, I got a couple of big knives. Got I don't know if I should even say it, but I got a Jeremiah Johnson Bowie in the works here. Yeah, had somebody talking. I've had a lot of people calling lately asking about, if I'm still taking orders and that stuff. And I'm trying to be semi-retired here, but there just doesn't seem to be much of a change other than the actual phrase of being semi-retired. I am slowing down a bit. I'm just, limited orders or limited runs. And if I'm trying to fill back orders and phone orders that I've taken previously. So anyway, we'll touch on that subject again later, but I'm not going anywhere. Still here, still working, and just not maybe as crazy as I had been in the past. So anyway, hope everybody's okay out there. This world's getting a little nuts, especially our country, and real sad the way things are. Not sure what the answers are to that, but it's a shame. We should probably just realize that we're all the same, and not beat each other up so bad. Anyhow, okay. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and we got more coming. And I really appreciate everybody subscribing and liking the videos. And come back and see us again, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks again.